Oh, I love it when things keeps on getting better at the French Cooking Academy, especially at the school, because I don't know if you know, but we have a membership called the French Cooking Academy, a membership that you can join that's going to give you access to everything we do. That means all of the courses plus plenty of other things. Now this offer, it's a yearly sign-up. You pay a fee for a year, you have access to everything, but we keep on adding things, polishing the formats, and the latest thing we've added is this. Now when you join, okay, just before Christmas, you're going to have a full version of our cookbook, 100 Essential Recipe for the Home Cook in electronic format, straight off the bat. You sign up, you get an email, you get the book. And this is a way to get you started if you want. And the book is all about simple recipes. You learn one technique at a time. The more recipe you make, the more you learn. But what I want to talk about in this membership is not about the courses and the stuff and the features. I want to tell you about the students. We've got students on the membership that have been with us for more than 3 to 4 years. That is a big commitment. I've been following people that didn't know how to cook. Okay, they came to us like, yes, I want to discover French cooking, I want to do this, I want to learn the basics. And I've really seen them fly. Like they gone from nothing to now breezing through sauces and stocks and ragu and making recipes. And the great thing about that is that once you get all these basic techniques in your pocket, you can take all these French cooking books you get at home that you perhaps did not understand, and then suddenly everything is going to start to make sense. Like, oh, I can make that recipe, oh, I can make that charcuterie thing, I can make this thing and that thing. It is quite amazing. The good thing as well is now, because we've got so many feedback from the students, we've been able to polish the offer, and we've divided our courses in 3 categories. The main thing people come to us with, they want to learn the basics. 75% of students, and we've got more than 3,000 students, mind you, okay, around the world, they all want to learn the basics, and we now have a distinct core culinary program with a course called Get Started with French Cooking for all-time beginners, absolutely no skills required, and then an advanced course. So when you first go through these 2 courses, you're going to have the big understanding that you need. After that, you got masterclass, specialty courses, and even cooking journeys with a series of themed recipe video like regional food, specialty food that you can try. So that's on the course part. That's the education part. You can really learn. But you also have an online community that is now growing, and I'm glad to report more and more people are joining. This online community is called the French Cooking Academy Club, and we've got more than 800 active students in there. It is private. It is not hosted on Facebook or Google or anything. It's something we've designed from scratch. It is run by us, and it is the place where you can interact with others, with me, and post your recipe, ask your question. We're doing workshop, we're doing things, we're chatting. It's a whole lot of fun, and there's more and more people, as I said, recently that are joining. So the holiday season is coming. November, you're going to be wanting to cook. We're going to have some interesting thing coming up. We're working on a new course or some more courses. So keep in mind, 1 fee, everything, current courses and future courses. So if you have any interest into learning French cooking, you don't know where to start, you don't know where to look, we are here, French Cooking Academy, link in the video description. It is the membership. There's a whole page that's going to explain everything, all the courses that we have, all the benefits, and trust me, like the other students, if you join, you're not going to regret it, okay? Keep in mind, French Cooking Academy membership, link in the video description. I'll see you there.